Hey guys, so today I've got a 2023 Ford F150 King Ranch. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life after an oil change. No special tools are needed, very simple procedure. First thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Let these messages clear up. Then we're going to press the OK button to clear the messages. Usually we press the menu button to go in this menu. Go all the way down to settings. Press OK. Go all the way down to vehicle maintenance. Press OK. Oil life, press OK, and then press and hold the OK button. Right, oil life should be reset. You can confirm by pressing it again, and it should show 100%. You can turn the ignition off and start the vehicle just to confirm the lights got reset. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.